Anyway, well, back to you into the scenes video to have a quick look at the bank holiday weekend, which has come into the time frame of the extended GFS model. It's still a long way off, of course, just about the extended range of the model. So we're just using it for trends really over the next 2 or 3 updates, and then as it comes into the more reliable time frame from around the weekend, we'll be able to start looking at it for the detail. But it's within the time frame of the GFS, so we might as well start using it to look for some trends, see if we can work out what may be going to happen over the final bank holiday weekend of summer 2014. Before I get on with that, I'll just say about the ads. There's video ads on my pages at GazWeathers.com. If you want to hit play on video ad, please support GazWeathers.com. Thanks so much for doing that. So we're going to start off here on Saturday the 23rd of August, and we've got a nice ridge of high pressure coming in actually across the country. It looks like it'll be quite unsettled through most of next week, but as we get through towards the end of next week and towards the start of bank holiday weekend, we've got a bit of a ridge building in there, so that looks quite nice. The upper air temperatures are cool though. That's a legacy really of the cool air that's going to be around for the next couple of weeks now. So yeah, temperatures are below where they should be, but it'll feel warm enough under the summer sunshine. There is a suggestion that there could be some rain around. I think this is a bit overdone, probably more across Scotland and Northern Ireland, but I think most places would actually be a good deal drier than this is suggesting under that ridge of high pressure. But temperatures are on the disappointing side, given the setup. We're just into the upper teens, 17, 18, 19 degrees. You'd probably push that up a bit more, say 20 or 21. That's around where we should be actually, towards the latter part of August, around 70 Fahrenheit. Going through to Sunday the 24th, and the ridge is still varying across the country. Low pressure beginning to develop out in the Atlantic a bit, but basically we're under high pressure, so it looks pretty good. And temperatures are picking up a bit as well as we go through to Sunday the 24th. We're lifting the upper air temperatures up somewhat. Got some rain lurking out to the west, but the bulk of the country would again be mainly dry. It would be a bit warmer as well, with temperatures perhaps up to 22 or 23 Celsius. And then let's go through to the bank holiday Monday itself, which is Monday the 25th of August. We start to lose that ridge. We start to bring the low pressure in, but it just about hangs on long enough to keep it dry. Temperatures are lifting up as well. Winds have gone southerly, so we're actually putting up some quite warm air out of France. The rain is waiting in the wings in the Atlantic, and there's a lot of it out in the Atlantic, so you get the idea that it's very much on a knife edge, that really, between being a very wet day, but we just about hold on away from the far west, and temperatures again would be pretty warm, maybe up to 24 or 25 degrees, so that's not a bad update at all to be starting off with. If you want a nice bank holiday weekend, I think that's pretty good. Would be mainly dry on most of the days and quite warm as well. Whoops, just better get rid of that. It will be mainly dry and quite warm as well. So it's a pretty good start, but of course we're only using this for trends. We'll have a look at it again on Wednesday evening to see whether this trend is maintained or whether something else crops up. It's too early to say about the GFS. Definitely has this sorted out by any means. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.